back it up, clean it out. We got issues where they took this deck and they mounted it to the outside wall right there. And what they did was pull the house off the outside wall. I've got to replace that. Very difficult to do with that deck being hooked to it. This is all rotted and I have to take that out. That's behind the deck. I don't even know if I can do it with the deck on there. Nice, very nice, Paul. The only thing I hate is having to take up them pieces of that hole is in two pieces. What? Cut it shorter?
No, I'm all good.
The real world.
Yeah.
This is the real world right here. When you got to get down and dirty, that's the real world. Sitting behind no desk here.
Over there, pencil pusher.
Well, we got this far. Completely done from here back, except for the plywood. Probably taking out that door. Then we got that much in the back, which is a little bit harder because it's hallway, it's a closet, it's another closet, it's a bathroom, I think. A little bit going on back here. So I figured 7 to 10 days on a job like this, you know. Pretty good sized bathroom here. 7 to 10 days is about reasonable for 2 guys to get in here and tear this all out. Put it back. So far, so good. Taking a lot of work. We did get some of that out of that. That deck out there is just pulling it down to the ground, for crying out loud. They attached a huge deck right to the side of the house and didn't put any piers where they were supposed to be. So of course that's weight on the house. And when you have a mobile home that has frame and a frame and 2x4s hanging out, I don't know, 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet with an outrigger every 4 feet, an outrigger being something that just goes from here to the frame to give this outside wall support. So let's say this was a 4 outrigger, frame up, outriggers every 4 feet. This would be hooked to the frame back here. Let's just say this was the frame. Outrigger, outrigger, outrigger every 4 feet. Still not enough, in my opinion, to hold walls. I'm sure we're definitely going to be doing some every 4 feet or so, putting something underneath these 2x that we've doubled up all the way down through before it's over.
Should be moving.
Your blocks are moving more than anything.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the blocks are moving. 2x4 is pretty much staying. How are you on it?
I'm up on each block.
Yeah.
Up on the stud itself.
It's moving. That would probably be close enough. I'd call that game day right there. Because we got that lifted up more than we do the outsides now.
Really?
Yeah.
27 and a half and 28 3/4.
27 and a half, 28 3/4.
Yep.
Awesome.
That's when you drag the refrigerator up.
All insulated. Sweet. I'm ready to kick some butt tomorrow. Alright, well, I got your brother on the way to the house.
Yeah.
My other camera, did I get that one too? I guess I
I
did.
need the back. I put everything in the back.
Okay.
We're in trouble.
Awesome. Well, let's turn out some lights and get out of here. Another day.
I put the hardwood here for a couple more.